Today we're making ramen. Yes, that humble little noodle soup we all love slurping at 2 a.m. But
we're giving it a slightly luxurious twist.
And to start off, we're getting our hands on some pre-packaged handmade noodles.
Even though I didn't make them myself, they're still slightly fancier than instant noodles. Next, we drop the noodles into a pot of boiling water. After about 40 seconds, we take them out. Because these are fresh noodles, they don't take too long to cook. You see those noodles? They are chewy, they're springy, they're everything your instant noodles wish they could be. Now in another pot, we boil some water. Then we try our best to make it taste like a pot of bone broth that's been simmering for 12 hours. I'm adding some liquid gold, some condensed chicken broth sauce, and some beef sauce with actual beef pieces. Of course, it can never compare to real bone broth, but I'm hungry and I need to eat ASAP. Next, we cook a satisfying amount of beef. You can use Wagyu if you're feeling fancy. When it's almost well done, we take it out and set it aside. Then we slice up some beautiful pre-made eel and reheat the noodles in the soup so they can soak up a bit more flavor. Now we grab a big bowl and start assembling everything. This is where all the magic happens. First, the noodles go in, then the beef. And we stack the eel on top like we're playing with building blocks. Last but not least, caviar. Because it's impossible to talk about luxury without caviar. And boom, it's done. It's perfect. It's sinful. It's a masterpiece. Alright, let's see if all this work was worth it. This is heaven in a bowl. All the flavors, all the textures, and you made it yourself. And you are now officially a ramen god.
Nice.